Okay everybody, welcome back to the R44 YouTube channel. Welcome in Henry's car, which is, hear me out. It's a BMW 330D, which is, drum roll please, the first diesel car on the channel. Hear me out please, wait, don't click off just yet. There is a reason for this. And I'm not going to explain the reason. Who better to explain than the car owner? Henry, where is he? You work at a BMW parts specialist. Why have you bought a diesel?
Because it's quick enough, it's economical, it's comfortable, and it's just a wafter really when you got to commute 3 hours to work.
That is true, that is true. Well, tomorrow, Henry's going in the N57, so we have to do a full service. Yes, yeah, give him a bit of a review, you know, should you buy this car?
I would say you should buy this car if you're a petrol head that wants to drive something nice, but not too much every single day. It's like comfortable enough, it's quiet enough, your missus isn't gonna hate it, you can put your kids in it, but it's quick enough, it's comfortable, stylish, all around solid car, good power plant, can do big miles. Yeah.
What more could you want, innit,
yeah, exactly.
Really? What more could you want? And that is just, I am just hating for the YouTube video. It's just funny just to
we love diesels here.
Yeah, have a bit of banter. But the diesel, that does tick every box. Like you could get this. Is it 330i?
330i, but it's a 2 litre in these cars.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah. If you want 3 litres, you go 340, or you can go 335D, which is like this, but it's got twin turbos instead of the single.
Oh, I
so
see.
Yeah, it's like a lot faster, obviously, if you get 335D, but it's a bit more complicated. And 330 is a good balance. I went with a 330.
That is. If I wanted like a good, reliable daily, 330D is what I'm going to get. We're going to get straight into it. We're going to go over to the bench now and see what parts we're fitting. So here we are over at the bench. We have the full service kit, which obviously includes 7 litres of original BMW engine oil. We also have the oil filter, fuel filter, cabin filter. Got a new little sump plug as well as the washers and everything for the oil filter. And then we have a little aftermarket part here, which is the K&N air filter. And there is many reasons as to why we've done this for an OEM service. So the main reason for an air filter is this is a fraction of the cost. This also is reusable. So when it comes to servicing your car again, all you have to do is clean this out, put it back in, and you can use it again. Whereas the OEM sort of air filters, they're designed to sort of wear down. They're a usable item. So when you come to servicing it, you have to replace it. But with this, it's a one cost, that's it. And this actually has a 1,000,000-mile warranty. So it's going to stick with your car for as long as you have it. As well as K&N being a performance air filter, we've got more airflow. We probably have a bit more induction noise as well. So before I waffle on too much about the parts, we're going to head over to the engine bay and start getting them fitted. So as you would have seen, we have taken out the stock air filter, which is, that is ruined. And look, there's if you can see that, there's a ladybug in the air filter. Henry's been putting some miles on this car, I know that for sure. And that is not reusable. So every time you come to a service, you're gonna have to replace this, and look at that, look at all the dust. That is potentially going into your engine, so that is no good. Then we have the hard wearing, performance enhancing K&N air filter, which is much heavier. So I don't think it's weight saving at all, but it is power inducing. Yeah. So Henry actually drives from Manchester. Yeah, that's a lot of miles. So he's come down today. Yeah, he needs that 1,000,000-mile warranty for the K&N. That's done. That can get in the bin and we can go and fit this. just before we carry out the cabin filter change and I explain to you why you need your cabin filter doing, I've got the R44 website up here. If you can see that, I will probably throw it up on the screen. But we do have the full service kit here, which actually does include the glow plugs. So if your BMW needs glow plugs, then you can get this kit off of the website. Again, with the oil filter, everything, we do have that separately on the website if that's only what you want. Whereas Henry got the air filter from K&N. Obviously on here we have the BMW genuine air filter, or you can tick the box where it says no air filter, so then you don't have to add that to your bill. But we have all of that. Then we have the cabin filter if you need that or not, and then the glow plugs as well. If you need that, then you can add that to the order. So we have everything on there, and that kit actually covers everything from the 3, 4, 5, 6 series, everything like that. And then if you have any other M models of cars, M3s, M4s, then we obviously have the full service kit on the website as well. Now it doesn't end here for Henry's car. He is coming back in another video for the springs and spacers, so we can finally get some stance on the car, because you can't be an employee of R44 and not have a bit of stance to your car. So that video will be coming out soon. I don't exactly know when, but if you do have a 330D that you do want to modify, then you can see those videos, as well as a ZF8 gearbox service, which we're going to do a full in-depth service on that car when it comes in for the gearbox service. But for now, let's get back to the video and explain why you need your cabin filter changing. Right, so now we have the proud owner of the BMW with his cabin filters. Now this is what you're breathing in. Look at the state of this. This is no good. And we said it on a previous video, if you're ever doing an oil change to a car, you may as well do the cabin filter at the same time. So now we have the new one. Let's get the new one fitted. So that is going to be it for Henry's 330D on the servicing. So now he can enjoy his nice trip around the NC500 and not worry about any issues. So that is going to be it for this YouTube video. If you do have a diesel car or even petrol car or anything with 4 wheels, we can help you out. If you do want any parts that are linked in the description, go check them out. They're all on the R44 website. So if you've liked this, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.